buddies, it's Maddie
and Alexa.
We didn't want to leave without saying goodbye and giving you a fun little project to do today. It's a little mini version of Alexa that you're going to get to take home today, and you're going to be using a roll of paper and a sheet that looks like this, and then you're going to color it.
Oh, my head fell off.
No, they're going to attach it, you silly.
Oh, do a good job, okay?
They will do a great job, I already know.
How do you know?
Because they've been doing such a great job all week long. Let's take a look.
We did have a lot of fun, didn't we?
We sure did. I hope you had a lot of fun too. Are you ready to make the project? Let's do it. Okay, step 1 is going to be coloring. So pause the video here and get to coloring. I'll wait. You're all done coloring? Great. In that case, step 2 is cutting it out. If you're all done cutting, I need you to find this piece of paper right here and your tube. You're gonna wrap it around just like this, and there should be a little bit of overlap. And you're gonna tape it together to hold it in place. Next, we're gonna attach the head. So you're gonna line it up with those little curvy lines on there, and then you're gonna tape it along the back. You might need to put a little bit of tape there as well. Now I know the arms say glue on it, but we are going to use tape. If you do print this out at home, you can use some glue if that's what you have at home. But either way works. What you're going to do is you're going to fold that little tab down toward the back. Okay? So you can still see the arm. The tab is going to go on the back. You're going to put it where you want the arm to go. And then right there on her little armpit is where you're going to tape it. Okay? Once you got your arm in its spot and you got the right arm, right? Remember, we got this arm here. The right one has your thumb pointing towards your armpit. The left one should have your thumb pointing towards your other armpit. Otherwise, the arms are going to look a little funky. Grab the little shoe and fold the tab going upward. So it looks like a leg. You're going to go underneath your tube, inside of it. And then do you see in there how we have our little tab? Go ahead and tape that there, okay? There you go. If you followed all your steps, your project should look a little something like this.
Can I see how the project's turned out?
Sure. All right, everyone, hold up your project.
Can I see yours? Good job. I like it.
Good job, everyone. So have fun, buddies. Enjoy your time today. It was so nice to get to know all of you. And thank you so very much for all of the work that you put into learning all about puppets and rhythm and music and movement. Had a great time with you guys. We're going to miss ya. With your parents' permission, you guys can check out ModdyPuppets.com.
Am I on there?
Yes, you're on there too. Keep an eye on my website, and I'll let you know as soon as I'm able to come back.
And I'll come too?
You'll come too.
Yeah, it'll be a lot of fun, huh?
Yeah, we'll have a great time.
And thank you for my bracelets. Thank you for my bracelets. Look, I got so many. I love them. And this one has my name on it. Wait, no, it's on this hand. That one has my name on it. Thank you. Mwah. Bye.